Reverse engineering. This is another great way to get backlinks for your web pages. What we're going to look at with reverse engineering is essentially spying on your competition. Or it doesn't even have to be direct competition with you. It's just spying on other websites essentially for the backlinks that they're getting. But the ideal way to do it is to spy on the people that are above you in Google and reverse work their backlinks, because if they've got backlinks from places like blogs or forums, it's very easy in most cases for you then to go and get a backlink from the same place. So it's a great way to find links quite easily. Now the thing about reverse engineering people who are above you in Google is what you have to understand is a couple of things here, that you can A, go and get the same backlinks, and B, Google really must like their backlink profile to be ranking them above you. So you need to look at what sort of links they've got and see what it is that Google really likes about their backlinking and try and closely mirror that as much as you can. You don't have to worry about trying to have an identical backlinking profile as sites in position 1, but do take note of it so you can see what is going on with their backlinks and try and get as many of these backlinks yourself as you possibly can. We're going to use a tool called SEO Spyglass, and it's a really powerful tool for ripping the backlinks. Basically, when I say ripping, I mean just looking up the backlinks of a web site. So you plug in the website and it scrolls through and finds all the backlinks linking to this website, and then there's lots of things you can do like filtering for page rank. That's the great thing about SEO Spyglass. It filters information really easily so that you can shuffle and have highest to lowest page rank, all these wonderful things. There's a free version of SEO Spyglass as well, and again the links for you are in the download section under this video heading. So what we're going to do now is go and have a look at an example of how this works and show you how to do reverse engineering. And just so you know where we position reverse engineering, it's really once you're gaining momentum and you've you've rolled out your initial link building plan, and now you really want to try and climb right to the top. This is where you might want to start looking at reverse engineering and picking out some of the best links of other websites. So it's sort of a little bit later in the link building plan, but it's a very useful tool to do when you start hitting the front page and you want to really work your way up to position the top 3 spots in Google. So let's go and have a look at how this works now. Okay, so I'm over at Google, and essentially all you're doing is looking up somebody that's already ranking for your keyword. So if your keyword was, and it can be any keyword you like, but let's just go for something like how to stop dog barking, if it was an info product on that. So keep in mind I'm in Australia, so Google's always going to show Australian results. I mean, if I want to make it an American, see what people in the United States would see, I just add ampersand GL equals US to the end of the search string. And for those of you who want to know how I did that, all you do is go to the end of the URL bar at the top and you type in, I'll just get a little document open and show you because I'm sure I'll get asked. Ampersand is the AND symbol, GL stands for global, equals, and then the country code, in this case it's US, you could do UK, you could do AU, but you just put like that, you literally just tack that on to the end of the Google URL right up in the URL bar and then just refresh. And then you're just saying, show me the same results Google, but for United States. So that's all you do there. I'll get rid of that. So how to stop dog barking. So these are the sites that are ranking for this keyword. Train your dog to stop barking, etc., etc. Hintsandtips.com. So all you do is open up the website here. And it's, I don't know if this is actually a dog training site or an overall hints and tips site about everything. Yeah, it's more of a general type of site about everything. It's probably going to be pretty large, so it's going to take me a while to pull all their backlinks. So what I'm going to do is just try and find one that I think will be about dogs. Let's just go for this one here. This one is a dog training site. Train Pet Dog. Pretty simple. Not a bad looking little site, I guess. So I just copy the URL, and then once you've downloaded and installed SEO Spyglass, it will look like this. I'll just put a new project. You go new project, and then you paste in the URL like that and go next. And then SEO Spyglass goes out and pulls as many backlinks that they have on record for this website. And sometimes it can take a few minutes to go through all of the backlinks, depending how many there are. It usually sort of times out when it gets into the thousands. So if it's like too many, it's not able to do it. But it does a pretty good job. And you can get a free version of this. There's a paid version and there's a free trial version. From what I remember, there's a free trial version, but it's a great tool to invest in anyway if you don't want to, if you're serious about SEO. So it's still going away, and it's found, and it's now 1,700, 1,800 backlinks. So it's still just churning through all the backlinks for this website. So you can see how effective it is. Well, you'll see in a moment actually how effective it is when it finishes. What I'll do is pause the video while it finishes off. Okay, so SEO Spyglass finished going through that website, and you can see on the screen in front of you, these are all the places they found backlinks. I'll just scroll down. You can see there's a lot. There's a lot of backlinks, and a lot of these will be from the same website, so we don't really need to look at all of the duplicates. But basically what you can do, there's a couple of ways you can do it. When there's so many, like thousands and thousands, you don't want to ask SEO Spyglass to go through all of them and show you the page rank of every individual link, because it's too many page rank queries to be sending to Google, and that's what this software does. It does a query to Google and asks for the page rank, essentially, and too many of those too quickly, and Google will block your IP address for a couple of hours, and you won't be able to do any more. So with this many backlinks, it's just too many to be querying for the page rank. So we don't want to do a big ginormous page rank query. It's just too many. But when you've got smaller amounts, you can, or the other thing you can do is get rid of all the duplicates. See, this site here has showed up a lot of times, all the way down here. It's showed up all the way to there. So just get rid of sites like that where there's just too much duplication, and you can thin down the list a little bit so you don't pull PageRank queries for duplicate sites. And sometimes you'll find sites that have got hundreds from the same domain. So you can see there's quite a lot of duplicates if you look through the list here. But essentially what you do, let's just do a quick snapshot example. If I just want to find the PageRank for, say, this block, and say what is the best PageRank backlink they have, I highlight it, I right click, and I go analyze backlinks. And then what I do is, is it analyze backlinks? Maybe hold on, let me just try and remember in case I'll update backlinks. Sorry, it's update backlinks. And then uncheck everything, and just leave the bottom one checked, where it's got down here. See, it's got Google PageRank. Just leave that checked and go next. So now we're asking SEO Spyglass to tell us the page rank of these, and it's done it. You can see here this column is now page rank. So if I click that, it shuffles from the highest to the lowest. So you can see now I know that, okay, they've got a page rank 5 backlink there, a page rank 5, a 4, a 3, a 2, and a 1, and a 1. So they've got quite a decent amount of page rank backlinks. So the other thing that you'll notice from these PageRank backlinks, if you look at them, they're all the home page. It's .com, 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 .be, .com. You'll find it more difficult to be able to get a backlink from a home page. So if you see that these people that you're trying to copy or reverse engineer are getting their backlinks from a home page, the chances are slim that you'll be able to get a link on that home page. When you're analyzing a link, you can also ask for the anchor text from SEO Spyglass by doing a full update. And you just do the same thing I did, but you leave every box checked. So you can see there it's got anchor text here, Yorkshire Terrier. So in order to open this website, all I do is hover over it, and there's a little grey box that pops up, and I click it. And it opens that website that they're getting this PageRank 5 backlink from. So here I am, and this is where apparently they're getting their PageRank 5 backlink. So how do I find where their backlink is? So I'll go Control Find, and I'll just type in the anchor text that makes up their backlink, which is Yorkshire, I think it was Terrier. There, you can probably see it in the bottom. Yorkshire Terrier. I'll just search for it again. Yorkshire Terrier, Yorkshire Terrier. It's just Yorkshire Terrier on its own is their backlink. I think let's double check the anchor text again. Yorkshire Terrier, yep. So let me just keep looking till I find their link. It'll probably be that one there actually. Properties. No, it's not that link. Let's see if I can find it. No, there's a lot about Yorkshire Terriers, but I don't see any backlink yet to that site. It'll be here. It's just a matter of finding it. Nope, that's not it either. So all I'm doing is just going through and trying to find a link with anchor text of Yorkshire Terrier, and then I know where their link is. It may be that there actually. Let's have a look. Nope. It's got to be on this page somewhere. Yorkshire Terrier for sale. Let's see if it's that one. Gunwood. It's linking off to Gunwood. Yorkshire Terrier breeder. Yorkshire Terrier breeder. Yorkshire Terrier. Puppies for sale. I think this is going to be going to Yorkshire Terrier for sale. It's a different website. Let's try and remember what the website is that we're looking up here. It's called Train My Dog, or sorry, Train Pet Dog. So this is a strange one. I can't seem to find it. Let's have a look for another one. I don't know why it wouldn't be on there. It should be on there. Yorkshire Terrier. They've found it. Sorry. There we go. That's where I've made my mistake. Oh no, it's a Train My Pet Dog. That's the URL. It should be on that page, which is kind of strange. Let's just try the next one down and see why. It might just be a little bit of a glitch in SEO Spyglass that it didn't show up that one, but it usually is. You'll find it pretty much straight away. This one is the same it's the same anchor text, Yorkshire Terrier. Let me just make sure, in case a capital makes a difference. This is 24K. Now these are identical websites, you'll notice, but they're different URLs. How interesting. Yorkshire Terrier. It's not a link either. Let's try that one again. Very strange. I'm not sure what's going on with this one. Normally it's very easy. Let's just do a handful of them then and see if we can find some with a proper backlink that's working. I'm not sure why it wouldn't be showing up. I'll have to have a look at that, but normally you won't find that. You'll just find the backlink immediately on the page. Because if SEO Spyglass has found it, then it's got to be on that page. It's as simple as that. But for some reason it's not showing up. Maybe they're doing something strange with their backlinks and hiding it in a different color or something. I don't know. I can't see it. So anyway, I've done a few more, and you can see this one here. It's got Border Collie is the backlink, and it's on American Beauty. So let's just look up this one and look for Border Collie. Let's make sure I spell that right. Was it Border Collie or Border Collie? So I'll have a look for Border. There, Border Collie. I think it's in the left. It's a horrible looking site. Border. Let me just see how it's spelt. Collie. Oops. Border Collie. So it's on here somewhere. There's a link there, right in the middle. There it is. There. So you can see it's going to Train Pet Dog. So it's a very strange backlink. It's right there in the middle of that. See there? Border Collie, that's the backlink. That is there, that one there, which SEO Spyglass found, which is a PageRank 4. So you won't probably be able to get a backlink on a home page like this. It's going to be difficult. You really want to find blogs and forums. You could contact this web owner and say, hey, how do I go about getting a backlink like these websites have got on your web page? And they may say, oh, sure, just send me a backlink and I'll do it, or pay me $10 or something. So you can contact them if you like and try and get a backlink that way. The other thing you can do with SEO Spyglass, once you've sort of gone through and looked for the best backlinks, is you can filter at the top. In the top right here, there's a drop-down menu, and it says Show Backlinks from Blogs and Forums Only. So if I click that, these are all the blogs and forums. Now what I can do is just go highlight them, right-click Update Backlinks, and go Next. And then basically I didn't select all the blogs and forums, I just selected the first few. But I'm basically just saying, trying to find the best blogs and forums that they got backlinks from, and that's what I want to be doing. and it'll come back with the information shortly. And then basically what you want to do is go to those same pages that your competitor that you're doing this reverse lookup on got a backlink from. Go there and try and get a backlink yourself. And that's how you do reverse engineering. You basically get just copying other people's backlinking and just seeing what you can do with it. So that's essentially what you do with reverse engineering. It's almost finished chewing through these listings here of forums and blogs. Forums and blogs are going to be the easiest place for you to get a backlink because they're more of a public sort of domain. So you can see here I've gone through it. Now I'll shuffle for highest to lowest page rank by clicking that one there and unhighlight these. So you can see at the top there's some PageRank 3s, PageRank 3, 3, 2, 2, 2, 1, 1. These are all forums and blogs. And again, you want to look for one that's not the home page ideally, because home page, let me try that again. Home page links are more difficult to get. But this is one here, is an inner page. You can see it's got /2009/07 how to. So I'll open that page up and think, okay, where did they get a backlink, and can I get one here as well? And the anchor text they used was just simply the word dog. So let's see if I can find their link by doing a control find and then dog. Where is it? Okay, it's probably in the dog. There's a lot of words. There's a lot of dog on this page. But anyway, what you can do is basically come down here and see if you can comment on this particular page by link to this post a comment. So just click post a comment and fill out the way that they want the comments made and see if you can get a backlink that way. And this particular person actually, I think, has paid to have their anchor text and that little badge. I think that's where they're hiding it. See there? Like they did on their other one. There it is. That's their link there. I've just got it on the sidebar. That's an interesting way to disguise a backlink by putting it in a badge like that. You wouldn't even notice there was a backlink there. So that's one way that you can probably get a backlink on a domain, putting it in hiding it in what looks like a graphic, and then putting your link in there. Obviously, you have to get approval from the webmaster to do that. But that's where that link was. So again, you just go through and go, okay, well, what about these other ones? Can I get a link on any of these other dog sites and see if I can make a comment and get a backlink? So that's all reverse engineering is. You can do it on any site and then just go through and look for the best links and then try and make a comment in the blog or forum and get a link yourself. So that's really all you need to do. So just to recap, go to SEO Spyglass, set up a new project, enter the competitor's URL, follow the prompts, and then just sift through their information by either filtering for blogs and forums and shuffling for highest to lowest page rank by using the page rank column. And that's essentially all you need to do. So that's the end of this video. On to the next video.